Hi guys, Happy New Year pala, no? And right now what we're doing is opening our latest belt bag. So this is the GV, anong model number nito? Let's look here. EA125B ECT waist bag. This is my old waist pack that I used to bring along. It's by Tai Chi. I'm overall really happy with this. It sits nicely when you're riding. Yun lang, I wish it was black kasi medyo ang hirap parisan ng gray. Minsan hindi bagay sa suot mo. Pero overall, I do like it. But one of my biggest complaint about this is if you notice, yung lining niya is not waterproof. So pag inaabutan ako ng ulan, I've had the experience na yung mga gamit ko dito sa loob nababasa. In the front, I have some of my stickers. Yung ibang stickers na sisira pag umuulan. Now, I have my Kriega, the Kriega R8, which has the regular side na hindi waterproof. Pero it's more water resistant kasi nga meron siya nung flap. This one of the flap. Meron siya nung flap. So it helps when it rains. On the other side of the R8, this side of the pouch, meron siyang waterproof na side. Ayan, oh, this is the waterproof side. The only good thing about the Kriega is marami ka talaga malalagay. But what it sacrifices is it's quite a big unit. Makikita mo naman, malaki siya. Tapos, over the years, I think I've owned this mga more than 2 years. This part here used to have a rubber lining. I don't know if it's our weather or how this was kept. It was just outside inside the room, but in my cabinet, not closed cabinet, it's just an open cabinet. Yung rubber niya dito naging sticky na, so I had to go and use wipes and some alcohol to really wipe off all the rubber. Actually, ayan, natira mo, meron pa mga konting natitira. Ganon din dito sa kabila. Ngayon, this is how it looks dati. Oh. This is the rubberized. Oh. Only this part survive. Ito lahat wala na. Pero malagkit pa rin siya. And Kriega is not cheap. Same with the Tai Chi. I'm not sure if it's... I know it's not that cheap also. So while I was looking around for a replacement or at least an addition na waist pack, I was checking out all the different ones, pati sa marketplace, pati non-biking na mga na waist pack like Timbuktu or whatever brands. And yung presyo nila, medyo mahal din. You're talking about almost 3,000. And then while searching, so I sabi ko, sige, I'll check Moto World's page. And I know Moto World is the distributor for GV. I said, is this how you pronounce this? GV or GV? I don't know, but it's GIVI. So they had this at like a 10% discount. So parang lumalabas from 1,990, it became 1,700 something. So sabi ko, the price is not bad. And the beauty about this is waterproof. So sabi ko, pwede na. Because when I was about to check out, I have to reach a certain amount to get free shipping. Kung hindi ang mahal ng shipping ni Moto World. I can do a pickup, pero this was during the holiday season, so I didn't really want to get out of the house. So I checked their Lazada page. So meron sila sa Lazada this. So chinempo ko during the sale. I'm not sure if it's a 12.12 ko yata nakuha. But it came out from 1,700. Okay, let's check the price para hindi tayo magkamali. So same as the Moto World, they were listed at 1,791. But with Lazada, I was able to use some Lazada voucher na nales ako ng 394 pesos. Tapos nag-offer pa sila ng free shipping. So in the end, I only paid 1396.98 for this GV waterproof waist pack. Now let's go through it quickly. So in the front, it has a nice zippered pocket. Though I'm not sure if this is waterproof, but I have a feeling it might be weatherproof, but not waterproof. So I wouldn't put anything here na worried ka na baka mabasa. No? If your phone is waterproof or weather resistant like my Samsung, then maybe it's safe to put it here. But if you really want to put, like in my case, why I need a waterproof case besides my wallet is I usually travel with our vlogging gear. So may dala akong camera like the one we're using now, which is an Osmo Pocket 3, some wireless mic, extra batteries. Yun yung mga hindi pwede mabasa. And the design of this, though, hindi ko as gusto as the Kriga. Remember the Kriga? You roll it and then you clasp it on top and then there's a flap. Ito is, if you notice, it rolls down, then you have to lock it on the side. So ito, there's a Velcro na ano. And this is the interior niya. So this is a waterproof interior. Mafe-feel mo talaga, para siyang yung makapal na kapote na material. No? So here is what's inside. May mga manual pa siya. A huge tag that I will be removing when I'm ready to use. That's it. So now, compared to the Tai Chi, the amount of things I can put here is about the same. Tapos, once you are done putting your stuff, you can close it via Velcro and then you roll it. And then once na-roll mo na siya, you have to clip it on each side. Clip it. Clip it. Okay. At the back, there's also a Velcro pocket. But, una sabi ko, sige, dito ko ilalagay yung mga pera ko or coins na I need extra access. But the problem is, butas siya. Ayan, oh. See that hole here? Ayan, oh, may butas. Ayan. But I don't see the point of why there's a hole. I've heard other reviews saying that it's a drain when it rains, but seriously, how much rain are you going to go through? Are you going underwater that you need this drain hole? So what I would put here, I wouldn't even be comfortable putting yung cards. Baka lumusot dito. Hindi naman. So if you're traveling, this is where you can actually also put your phone para easy access, pero parang wouldn't that make it uncomfortable? Kasi ito yung mag-wrap around sa katawan mo eh. So you don't want anything na medyo matigas dito. So the e-pass cards, I really don't know what the purpose of this is, pero well, I guess we will know by the time we actually use it. So it has a Velcro closure. It has padding. And then if you notice the strap, itong side ng strap niya, ito lang hindi ko gusto eh. I would have preferred yung both sides may adjust so you can actually find where the buckle will fall. So pwede mong hanapin kung saan siya komportable kasi may mga area. Ito, you have no choice because the buckle is only on one side because this side of the buckle is fixed. Pero meron siyang konting elastic part. Ayan, this is what you see. It's slight elastic. So this will help keeping the bag snug to your body para hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw. No? But we'll be taking a ride out today. Okay, so if you notice the roll, this is something that cannot be done one-handed. So when you open it up, ayan, you need to get something. Okay, that's good. This is something you cannot do with just one hand kasi parang ang hirap po. So you really need to do this operation two-handed. So, hindi tulad yung ayan minsan hindi mo pa makuha kung alisan yung lock. So, unlike the other na mga belt bag where you just open up with one hand, get what you need, especially like if you're in the expressway and then you need to have access to your cards or to make payments, you don't have to leave your hands from the clutch and you just get what you need. With this one, you really need to put your bike in neutral, unclip both sides, open, get, roll, and then clip, but you need two hands like it shows. Ito pa mahirap minsan, ito yung nagagrab ko imbis na ito yung lock. Yan, tapos pag hindi ka nakatingin, tira mo this one, pumali yung pasok, so you have to align them properly. So hindi siya as easy to use, but well, that's what you get for the price, so it's not bad, but it's waterproof. No? Yeah, so if you're putting it at the back. Tapos if you roll this forward, tira mo, mahirap na i-access yung zipper. So you have to make sure also, mali yung pagka-roll ko, you have to roll it backwards. So if pagsuot mo ganito, intuitive yung you roll down, gano'n, nagmamadali ka. This one, you have to learn how to roll it backwards. Ayan, no? Backwards. Ayan na naman, no? Ito na naman yung nag-grab ko, hindi ito. Dito sa kabila, hindi pero dito palagi ko nag-grab ito, oh. And then you can adjust, like if medyo marami yung laman mo, and you're not able to roll it down fully, you can adjust this. So I finally got to use it for a quick ride. So it is comfortable. Yung angle niya dun sa hip mo, maganda siya. Hindi siya kasi ganun katigas, medyo malambot siya, so it conforms nicely to your body. Pero remember mo yung kanina sinasabi ko, yung may back pocket siya. Pag nakasuot sa iyo yung bag, malamang kasi baka malaki tiyan ko, hindi ko maabot yung bulsa properly without actually removing the bag. So medyo may pocket nga doon, pero hindi siya ganun ka-easy to access kung medyo snug yung fit sa'yo. Yung inside of the bag, malaki talaga, as in you can put so many things inside. Yung front pocket naman, ang maganda sa kanya compared dun sa dati ko, cellphone, even my S25 Ultra na medyo may kalakihan, kasya siya dun sa front pocket. Well, the function of it being waterproof, you have to live with na medyo hassle siya if you need to get your things frequently, like yung wallet mo, or sabihin mo there's something else that you need access to madalas. You always have to go through the unfasten the two clips on the side, open up the top, get the stuff, and then roll down again, tapos fasten ulit, which is hindi ganun kadali, pero I think in the long run I'll get used to it. But still, I would still say it's a good buy. But once again, so this is the GV, what's that? Oh, sorry. GVEA125B ECT waist bag, 3 liters capacity. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.